Lamarr Wilson here, back for another video, back for another crate. And it's one of my favorite franchises in the world. So yeah, guys, I'm partnered with Loot Crate to showcase some of their boxes and their crates that come out. This is one that comes out every other month. And matter of fact, you want to get in by the 15th of January. Otherwise, you're going to have to wait a couple more months. So I'll have all the information below. And that one is going to be about Headquarters from the Heroes of S.H.I.E.L.D. The box is going to have 46 items from the Marvel Universe, official apparel, home goods, gear, collectibles, all this good stuff. I have two boxes that were from the past. We'll start with the small one, get to that big one in a minute. Can we talk about the box though? Like if I don't want to throw these away. Like, these boxes are incredible. Like, look, it is a comic. I want a color. Do you have crayons in here? Pretty sure they have a shirt, and they do it. And it's a, whoa. Wait. I was like, oh, okay. I like it with my sleeves out like this. Got the pockets right here, and, I'm keeping this on the whole video. Okay, this is off to a good start already. This is dope. What else we got here? I'm guessing this is a poster. Oh my God. This box, like, what? Look at that. Oh my God. That is hot right there. Oh, this is a bag. Oh, it's like one of those book bags. You know, like all the hip kids. How do you do, children? I am also a kid. I love the Spider-Man theme. Like, look at this bag. There you go. All right. You know, I like my pins, guys. What? So that is a Spider-Man pin. And it's a nice size one too. It's not a little small one. There's another Spider-Man. What is this? Okay. A symbiote Spider-Man folding phone stand? Wait, what? Dude, look at that. And then he's, okay, so here, he's hang the symbiote when it's hanging off the side. Like, it can fold in. Hold on. Oh, that whole, okay, hold on. Dude, that is dope. That is great for the desk. Oh my God, yes. If you're a Spider-Man lover, who would think to make something like that? That is actually really cool. Next item in this box. Oh, that looks good. I want to look like this one day. I'm just saying. Nice. Okay, one day. The box just dope. This big one though got me kind of excited because I know this is not Spider-Man themed, but like I wonder what it is. First of all, can I just say their shirts are thick. It's good quality. Holy crap. Okay, first of all, I ain't this big. Second of all, it's Loki. Wow, that is a bad shirt. But yeah, that is cool. Oh wow, Thanos bookend. I'm gonna have to start reading now. He has a gauntlet. You put it there and you hold your books. Okay. Oh, dude, whoever drew that is bad. I mean, not bad like it's a bad drawing. I mean, like bad, like good. You know, like the kids say. How do you do? Oh, what is this? It says for distinguished service. Oh boy, Hydra Employee of the Month. I love that. I love that. Kidnapped sidekick, check. Defeat nemesis, check. I haven't taken over the world or picked up Red Skull's dry cleaning yet. So I still have those two things to do. And you got a Red Skull pin. So if I had to guess what this is, I would have to say this is probably like a villain box. A box at hell. Let me get my face out of there. That's the pin. This is awesome. If you want to get your own awesome box like this, I mean, guys, look, like just the box itself with the comic stuff, this is a quality box to keep. But if you want to get this, I have a link below. You can sign up and you can use my code. They'll give you a percentage off. You'll see it below because it can fluctuate every month. Sometimes they give you more, sometimes they give you less. You just have to see the description below. If you're just a Marvel fan, this is the box for you for sure. So I showed you two boxes. So let me know what was the coolest thing in the boxes. And if you want to, let me know what was the lamest thing. I like to hear both because you know that feedback goes back to them. They're like, okay, they like that, but they like that. So let me know in the comments, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you. I will talk to you in the next video. I have worn it. I think I'm gonna wear this all day. Talk to you later. Bye.